Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping inside a stunning urban bungalow that perfectly blends modern luxury with timeless charm. Welcome to the Brighton 4104. This home is designed for those who want the ease of single-level living without sacrificing space, style, or functionality. With just over 2,000 square feet on the main floor, 3 bedrooms, and a thoughtfully designed layout, the Brighton 4104 is ideal for both growing families and those looking to downsize in style. Right from the curb, this home makes a strong first impression. You're greeted by a beautiful timber frame front porch that gives a subtle nod to modern farmhouse design. It's warm, inviting, and sets the tone for what's inside. As soon as you step through the front door, you're immediately drawn upward. The soaring cathedral ceiling, accented with exposed timber framing, creates a dramatic yet cozy atmosphere. This is the heart of the home, an open-concept living, kitchen, and dining space that feels both expansive and connected. The living room anchors the space with a beautiful fireplace, making it the perfect gathering spot for family and friends. Large windows pull in natural light and give you uninterrupted views straight through to the backyard, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The kitchen is designed with both style and practicality in mind. Clean lines, modern finishes, and just the right amount of timber detailing give it that refined urban feel. It's open enough for entertaining, yet still feels grounded and functional for everyday use. Just off the kitchen, the dining area offers a slightly more intimate setting. With a lower ceiling compared to the living room, it creates a cozy contrast, perfect for family dinners or hosting guests. Now, let's move into the private side of the home. The Brighton 4104 features 3 generously sized bedrooms on the main floor, each with ample closet space. What really stands out is the placement of the primary suite. It's tucked away from the other bedrooms, giving homeowners a true sense of privacy. And with views out to the backyard, it becomes a peaceful retreat at the end of a long day. Another highlight is the attached 2-car garage, conveniently connected to the home. It makes everyday living easier, especially in urban settings where accessibility matters. But the tour doesn't stop there. Head downstairs and you'll find a fully functional lower level that expands the living space even further. This basement includes additional bedrooms, a bathroom, a home gym, and even a recreation area complete with a bar, making it perfect for entertaining or accommodating guests. One of the standout features down here is the walkout design, which leads to a sunken terrace and connects directly to the backyard. It adds another layer of usability and creates a natural extension of the home's living space. Speaking of the backyard, the rear of the home is just as impressive as the front. A covered timber frame porch extends from the living area, giving you a sheltered outdoor space to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the view. What makes the Brighton 4104 truly special is its flexibility. From adjusting window placements to customizing interior features, this home can be tailored to fit your lifestyle and your lot. Whether you want a more rustic look or a sleek modern finish, the design adapts to you. At its core, the Brighton 4104 is all about balance, combining the warmth of timber frame architecture with the clean sophistication of urban living. It's a home that feels both luxurious and livable, designed to grow with you over time. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think of this design in the comments below. Would you live in the Brighton 4104? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.